Hello everyone. The economic freedom fighters have welcomed the judgment by the Gauteng High Court after it found that a Daily Sun report accusing Mbuyiseni Ndlozi of RAPE was unlawful and defamatory. The publication in April 2021 reported that Ndlozi was involved in an RAPE case. The article was published on both its print and digital media platforms. Judge Stuart David James Wilson concluded that the publication must remove the unlawful and defamatory statements from all its media platforms, including its website, Twitter account, and Facebook account within 1 week of date of this order. He said the article interfered with the investigations. The EFF said the accusation caused grave harm to Ndlozi's reputation. It said, "This is another of the court's damning findings. Daily Sun actually interfered with the police investigation by publishing a RAPE complaint even before police could put the case to an alleged perpetrator. This is a powerful and unprecedented judgment that actually benefits and protects gender-based violence cases. Thus, it's also a big victory for investigations in GBV-related crimes." Ndlozi sought 120,000 rands in damages, but the court has yet to rule on this. It ordered Media 24 to pay costs. The EFF said this is a big victory for the victims of GBV, the majority of which are women at the time. The EFF illustrated clearly that there was no verifiable possibility that Ndlozi was at the location of the incident. The EFF calls on Media 24 to comply with the judgment with immediate effect. We call on them to issue a public apology of the same publication degree as the defamatory statements. We call on them to pay damages and commit to practicing responsible journalism. This judgment must never be weaponized to discredit genuine victims of RAPE and GBV. We must all unite as a society to fight against GBV, always avoiding the politicization of matters of this nature. The media fraternity must always operate with the highest level of integrity, research, and verification, so as to avoid malicious destruction of people's reputations in the pursuit of sales, profit, and breaking news. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.